Hi beautiful, welcome to my channel. In today's video we have another Sephora spring savings event unboxing. This is my favorite time to shop at Sephora because I'm a rouge, so I get a 20% off discount, and during this time I get everything that I've been eyeing for the past few months. I restock on my favorites, I try new things, and I cannot wait to share everything that is inside these boxes with you. Today's video is extra exciting because it is being sponsored by Sephora, which I am so grateful for. And thank you guys for all of the support that you give me and my channel that brings me these opportunities. Sephora's spring savings event has been happening since April 1st. Rouge members got first access April 1st, and Rouge members get 20% off. Starting April 5th, VIPs can shop with their 15% off discount, and on April 7th, insiders can shop with their 10% off. You can shop as many times as you want, and the spring savings event ends on April the 11th. When shopping online, the code for all members to get their discount is Save Spring. Besides that, Sephora collection has been 30% off since April 1st, and it will continue to be 30% off until the end of the event, and this is for all tiers. So it doesn't matter if you're an insider, a VIP, or a Rouge member, everybody gets 30% off of Sephora collection. If you have yet to sign up, definitely become a beauty insider, because that way you not only have access to the savings event, which happens twice a year in the spring and in the fall, but also you can accumulate points as you shop that will rank you up to the different tiers, and you can exchange those points for a lot of different goodies. I'm going to be leaving you the link to sign up down in the description box of the video, so definitely check that out. And all of the products that I'm featuring in today's video will of course also be linked down in the description box. All of those links down there are affiliated, and what that means is when you shop through those links, I make a small commission, which helps me as a content creator and helps my YouTube channel. So if you're shopping the Sephora spring savings event, definitely please use the links down below. Now let's get started unboxing everything that I got. First things first, I am still in the hunt for the perfect scent to take on vacation, so I keep ordering these smaller versions of these fragrances that I love, and I got two more today. The first one being the Replica Beach Walk fragrance. I feel like this is the perfect fragrance for the spring and summer season. The description of it is sun-kissed salty skin, and that's pretty much exactly what it smells like. It's this like warm, fresh, really beautiful scent with like a hint of like a little bit of like a salty scent to it. And I absolutely love it. I also think that this size bottle is perfect for me to travel with. Otherwise, I would have bought the 3.4 ounce because it's like more bang for your buck when you get the big one. However, for my trip, I definitely don't want to take any big bottles with me. And this one, I think this is absolute perfection for the season. I looked up the fragrance description because I love reading fragrance descriptions, and I'm pretty sure that a professional can do a much better job at describing this one than I can. It says, a fresh scent inspired by salty air and rays of sun, where bergamot and pink pepper fuse with lemon atop, a floral perfume of heliotrope, coconut milk, and musk. This smells absolutely delicious, and besides wearing it on my trip, this is going to be the perfect scent for the spring and summer season. If you haven't tried it yet, I highly recommend it. The next thing I bought was another fragrance. This one right here is from Jo Malone. I got the Jo Malone Wood Sage and Sea Salt. I also got this one in the 1 ounce bottle because, again, I'm thinking about these fragrances that I want to take with me on my trip, so I'm trying to buy the travel size bottles at the moment. I've smelled Wood Sage and Sea Salt a million times before, and I already know that I like it, and I also know that it is a unisex scent. So since my husband doesn't really have any travel size fragrances, I'm going to convince him to take this one with him, and that way I can also wear it. Now, when I first sprayed this one, I don't love it immediately. I have to give it a minute to dry down to mix with my skin's pH, and once it dries down, I do really like it. I used to sell this one all the time when I worked in retail. This is Jo Malone's most popular scent. Let me read you the description for this one too. It says, escape the everyday along the windswept shore, waves breaking white, the air fresh with sea salt and spray, alive with the mineral scent of the rugged cliffs, mingling with the woody earthiness of sage, lively, spirited, and totally joyful. It's like nice and sweet and fresh and a little bit salty. I guess I was in the mood for some salty, beachy, springy, summery fragrances. I am so glad that I got both of these, and I promise you I am done with the travel size fragrances. I already have 3 and I'm not going to take any more with me, but I'm pretty sure that I will take all 3 of them with me because I like to have choices. The next thing I got was this right here from Isle of Paradise. I haven't personally tried this self-tanner before, but I have heard wonders from a bunch of my friends that use it, and so I figured it was finally time to try it. I am really pale right now and very terrified of sunspots, so the fake tanning life is the life I choose to live. This is the Isle of Paradise Medium Self-Tanning Oil Mist. What I read in the comments about this one is that it has a really fine mister that you can evenly spread all throughout your body, and then you can rub it in with your hands or a mitt. And the before and after pictures with this one look absolutely amazing. I simply cannot wait to try it. I will be trying it very soon. Also, besides the sprayer, which I feel like is going to be a very easy method of application, I love that it's a tanning oil because I am super dry, and so I feel like the oil has to help with my skin's dryness, right? Maybe, hopefully, we'll see. Now, even though it said that you could evenly apply it with your hands, I was a little bit scared of doing that, so I also got a self-tanning mitt, and I got the Saint-Tropez self-tanning mitt because this is one that I have used before with the Saint-Tropez tanning mousses usually, and so I know that I can trust this mitt to like really evenly distribute the self-tanner. I'm not a self-tanning expert, so I need all the help that I can get, and this right here is the best rated tanning mitt, the most popular, and one that I know that I can trust, so I got this tanning mitt to go with my tanning oil, and I cannot wait. The next 2 items I'm about to mention are very exciting to me because I have been eyeing them for the past several weeks now. They've been in and out of my Sephora cart forever, and now that the savings event is happening, I figured it was the best moment to finally get them, to try them. And I'm talking about some new Paula's Choice skincare. The first and most exciting thing I got, which I'm really hoping is going to be a lifesaver for my skin. I have complete trust in Paula's Choice skincare, and the description of this like won me over. So it is Paula's Choice 0.3% retinol, 2% buku, I don't know how to say that, treatment with peptides and vitamin C. I really like that it had a very light percentage of retinol because I feel like I need to start using retinol now that I'm 30, but at the same time my skin is extremely sensitive. I hate when it gets red. I have rosacea. It reacts to everything, so I wanted to start with a very low dosage of it. Besides that, it also says it has a little bit of vitamin C, which I usually can't use in big quantities either because my skin reacts to it like crazy, and I was very pleasantly surprised to see that I applied this today to demo it for you for the first time, and my skin did not get red at all whatsoever. I mean, I usually have my skin a little bit red, but it didn't get any redder than it was. My skin didn't get warm. I didn't have any weird reaction to it. And so I'm super excited to incorporate this into my nighttime routine. I feel like even though my skin is dry and I don't usually get a lot of breakouts as I age, I see my pores more. And then my rosacea creates texture on my skin, which I dislike, especially because I'm dry and things get emphasized very easily. So I'm really hoping that this is going to be a lifesaver for me, that it's going to help with the texture, with the pores. I will let you know as I use it. I'll definitely have to update you on this one in a couple of months, but I am going to put it in my bathroom and I'm going to religiously use it because something has to be done. I want my skin to look smoother, and so I am thrilled to finally get my hands on this one. I also wanted to try a new moisturizer, and I was reading about this one and it won me over. This is the Paula's Choice Omega Plus Complex Moisturizer. It has chia and flaxseed, I'm assuming oils, and it is for normal and dry skin types. It says it restores essential nutrients for smooth, healthy, glowing skin, and it strengthens skin's ability to retain moisture. My skin needs a little bit of strengthening in the ability to retain moisture department for sure. I'm also really happy when I tried this one earlier. It felt extremely nice on my skin, not too thick, not too thin. It gave me a nice natural glow, and I figured it was the perfect thing to pair with my new Paula's Choice treatment. So like I said, I'm going to be using the heck out of these for the next few months, and I will come back and tell you how things are going. I'm really hoping for a better skin texture overall. Let's keep going. We've gotten to the most fun part of the haul. We've gotten to the makeup, and I got a new foundation to try. I did not need to try a new foundation. I am swimming in foundations over here, but I could not help myself, and you know what? I'm glad I got it. I got the Ilia True Skin Serum Foundation. I believe they recently expanded the shades on this one. I got the shade Salina, which I quickly found out is way too dark for me. I currently have it all the way down to like my décolleté area because my chest and my face looked two completely different colors when I was applying this one. But now that I've had it on for a while, I actually really like this tone for myself. So I'm hoping once I self-tan, this is going to be a color that I can use a little bit more comfortably. Anyways, I got this foundation because it had raving reviews on the Sephora website, and I could not believe that I had never tried it. Plus, I also love the Ilia Serum tint, so I wondered why I've never tried this one before, because that serum tint I absolutely love. And let me tell you, I was not disappointed in this at all. Forget that I chose the wrong color for a second and hear me out here. It has a really beautiful medium coverage. It covered all of my redness very easily. It is a very thin formula that looks really flawless on the skin, and it has a natural to glowy finish to it. I've now been wearing it for around 3 to 4 hours, and I'm pretty impressed by the way that this looks. I am very happy that I picked this up, and I will have to update you on this one soon because I liked it. I liked it a lot more than most of the new foundations I've been trying out for the past couple of months. Laura Mercier launched new liquid blushes, and I could not wait to try them, so I ordered one. I ordered the color Southbound. It is called the Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer Blush. The color Southbound is absolutely beautiful, right up my alley. Not too pinky, not too peachy, kind of like neutral, not too dark, not too bright. It looks extremely natural on my skin. I will say I noticed it dried down on the back of my hand really quickly, so when I applied it with the beauty blender, I made sure to blend it really nicely right away because I was scared that if it dried down, I wasn't going to be able to move the product around as easily. I honestly didn't have any problems with it drying down too fast or looking blotchy or anything. It blended beautifully on my skin, but I was trying to work efficiently in case any of that could happen. I'm super excited to continue trying this one because I really love the natural to matte finish that it had. I love the coverage. It was very easy to apply. The packaging is super cute, and I'm super excited that Laura Mercier is bringing out new and like innovative products for us to try. They have a bunch of other really cute shades, so definitely check them out. I couldn't help myself and I got even more blushes. So Huda Beauty just launched the stick blushes, and as soon as I saw these, I knew I had to try them. These are called the Huda Beauty Cheeky Tint. I got two different colors. I got the color Perky Peach, and I also got the color Proud Pink. I went ahead and applied them today on top of my Laura Mercier blush because I wanted to use everything that I got. So I put the color Proud Pink on the backside of my cheekbone to kind of elevate my blush look. I really love the way that these applied and they blended out beautifully. They have this really beautiful glow to them where you can't get away with like not using a highlighter at all because they give your cheek a really beautiful natural highlighted look. And then I used the color Perky Peach on the front side of my cheeks right here just to apply it somewhere. And honestly, I didn't like Perky Peach as much as I liked the Proud Pink because, and I know that I always get the palest blushes because they're the ones that I'm usually most comfortable with, but this one was too pale, at least for the tanned color that the foundation gave me. It didn't really show up that much, but it did give my cheeks this really beautiful glow all over. So I can't wait to continue to wear these. As far as a first impressions is concerned, I really like them, and there are 3 to 4 more shades. So if you don't like these shades, definitely check them out because they might have shades that you are into. Okay, just 2 more products to go now, and the next one I want to talk about is from Miss Vanessa Myricks. This is something else that has been in and out of my Sephora cart for months now, and I finally tried them because I was just too curious. I got the Vanessa Myricks Beauty Infinite Chrome Flakes Multi-Chrome Gel for eyes and face, and I got it in the shade Shooting Star. The packaging on this cute little thing kills me. It is so freaking adorable. Now I will say I was kind of concerned as soon as I opened it because it is a pretty liquidy gel, which I wasn't expecting. I was expecting more so like a creamy type of texture, but it is a really liquidy gel. So I made sure to keep all of the little caps that it came with so that I can tightly seal it and it can last me hopefully for a very long time without drying out. I really loved applying this one to my eyelids. It was extremely easy to apply with a flat brush, and I was very surprised that even though this formula is so different from like the mattes that I was wearing on my eye, I didn't even have to like go back and blend it back here. It just kind of like blended itself into the eye look that I had created. I love the luminosity and the wet look that it gave my eyes. I'm pretty happy that I finally got to try this formula because I have been curious for a very long time now. Now, last but not least, I got another one of the Makeup by Mario Plumping Lip Serums because I absolutely love these, and I already know because I have one. So the new shade I got was the shade Bare Glow, which is what I'm wearing right now with my iconic nude lip liner. And these are like plumping lip balms that have the shine of a lip gloss but feel like butter on your lips. They have a really nice like sheer to medium coverage on the lips. I absolutely love them, and I now have 2 shades. So the new shade, like I said, is called Bare Glow, and the one that I already had in my collection is Apricot Glow. I know that I talked to you guys about these when they first came out, and for a long time they were all sold out because literally they're that good. It's not just me that loved them, so they were sold out for a while there, and they are back in stock now. So definitely get your hands on one of these because you are going to have 0 regrets. They look fantastic, they feel even better, they are plumping, just incredible. This is like the best product Mario has ever released in my opinion. I absolutely love these little lipsticks. Okay, so that is it for my second Sephora Spring Savings event haul. I'm super excited to put all of these products to use. I can't wait to hear what you guys think. So let me know down in the comment section if you own any of these products or if you're planning to get them. If you're planning to get them, don't forget to use the links that I'm leaving you down below. If you're not a beauty insider yet, definitely sign up. A huge thank you to Sephora for sponsoring today's video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up before you leave. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I love you guys so much, and I hope to see you back in the next video. Bye.